What is good? Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be installing these EGR rain guards. These are the in-channel rain guards. They do use adhesive on just the back too. Let's pull these things out. They've got the adhesive for the back ones. They're pretty flimsy. They are the in-channel, so I'm not worried about them coming off with the adhesive. They are pretty black, so it's going to make it look maybe even a little darker than it already does. Let's get these things put on. The only thing we're going to need today is a heat gun, some alcohol, because we're going to clean the windows just at the tops and clean your window channels before you slide these things in. And that's it. Should be a quick install. Let's get these things put on. As I've said before, anytime you're going to use an adhesive, you want to make sure you clean it with alcohol just so you get the best stick possible. Once you got that window channel cleaned out, I just like to heat it up with a heat gun. Make sure you get the best stick. You're going to take these little ones all the way off, not the top one, until you're ready to seat it all the way in. So just bend this back, that. And then get this seated. Guess these are so bendy because you really got to bend them to get them in the window. Get it up into position. Then you're going to peel this across. And that's it. That's the first one. Push it up in there, pull it back toward you so you get that adhesive stuck. Moving on to the front again, clean that channel. We don't have any adhesive on this one, so it doesn't have to be perfectly clean. Place the front in the channel. Again, as you can see, you definitely have to bend it to get it in. Just don't crease it. You're gonna roll the windows back up. In that last clip, you can see that the window actually hit the rain guard when the window was going up, which caused the window to come back down automatically. This is just because the rain guard isn't formed exactly to your door yet when you first put it on. To get the window to go up, either pull out on this corner here or just feather it up as you're putting the window up, and it'll allow the window to seat properly. And then just either leave it up for a couple days to get it to warp or form exactly to your window channel, or you can heat it up a little bit with a heat gun to speed up the process while the window's up, just so it forms a little bit better. Aside from that, I think these things look really good. They're sleek. These are the slim line fit. I think the in-channel looks way better than sticking them on the outside, and it offers a lot more support. These things definitely aren't coming off if they're stuck inside your window. As for the wind noise, I don't think it's really a factor. I've been driving them for like 4 or 5 days now. I'm gonna do a wind check for you guys now so you can hear what it sounds like while you're driving. As for added noise with these rain guards, I don't think it's really a factor. With the window up, you hear a little bit of noise, and with the window down, you're gonna hear noise anyway. I don't think you'll even notice it, and I have the music off right now. With music on, I don't think you'll even notice it, and it's really not a factor, especially when that's what they're supposed to do. They're supposed to guard rain from getting in the car, so it's gonna make a little bit of noise, but not a big deal. For a final review of these rain guards, I would definitely recommend getting these. With the fit being as tight as it is, I don't think you'll ever have to worry about them coming down out of the window sills here. And with the rear, they have the added adhesive. They also come down, giving them more protection than the AVS brand version, giving you this protection here behind your side view mirror. With the black smoke, it adds to the effect of your window tint, making it look even darker. And at only $10 more than the AVS version, these sit at $90. I think they were $89. So it's not much more, and I think they look great and have this added protection. Coming up for the Tacoma, we've got shackle mounts that gotta go on along with shackles. I've got
a control module for auxiliary lighting. So stay tuned, we got a lot of things coming for this thing. Thanks for watching.